Yesterday, some cheap soldering iron stands arrived in the post, and today I'm going to modify them and fit them to the stations. This might look like a 2-litre tub of ice cream, but it's what I've been able to pack my soldering iron station up in a packet like that. So let's open it up and have a look. First of all, that's the soldering tip. It needs to be removed from the soldering iron handle to be able to fit in the box here. This is a new soldering iron rest that I've made up. You'll see it made up there and attached to the centre hole in the top. The iron and then a roll of solder fits in there. Just a matter of screwing that soldering iron rest into the top there. I've added a nut cert in the hole that I printed in the top there. Needed to drill it out to just under 6mm to get that. This little soldering iron rest goes in there. The little nut that comes with the rest tightens up, centralises it there pretty right. Soldering iron rolls in there. These soldering iron stands came without anything around the solder for the soldering iron to sit neatly in. Obviously not a lot of use, so I turned up these aluminium bushes that fit in there and stick down so that the soldering iron rests in there pretty well. They're ready to package up and send off to my son-in-law's, an early Christmas present for them. I sent a mate of mine the STL files to print the Makita shoe and the soldering iron enclosure. He had a roll of green filament that looks fucking awful. He got it working, but he's thinking he's going to print it in a different colour. He likes the blue I used. So get out to your shed and have some fun.